seeing something that's better than. I was like, seeing something at this moment right now is better than not seeing anything.
Get the motivation going.
Yeah. Because he back there running.
Yeah, they didn't want this though.
That's why I made a switch.
I mean, all the way down to
there you go.
Look at it. Way to go, Alpha. Way to change up on me.
Went to a.
Where's that little baby flip?
Yep. Hooked in the top.
Illegal, ain't it?
Yeah. Yes.
Crack the code. You made crack the code. That's a baby fluke too, isn't it?
I got some more right here.
Hey, believe me, color this water is, it's gonna take something like that. That's what he running. I'm gonna put another. I'm gonna put one on before I get around here. I'm trying to give old Blackie a chance.
Yeah. We done did that far enough.
I'll let you cast in. I get one. Next time. Go back there and cut it back down.
Yeah, we can. I mean, shoot.
They hanging around that tree. You may get it. You may get. Oh, look here. There's a bunch of them hanging around.
Yeah. We'll get something in this boat.
Oh, I got one on black.
There you go.
I ain't give up on black.
Slow down the trolling motor.
Thank you, driver.
All right, you threw your Blackie out. All right, 2 in the boat.
Ain't gave up on black. You feel like get you off of it. No.
That was a whole different. My bike came here.
Did it?
Yeah.
What you made that for?
No, I threw it over here.
Oh. I couldn't get up under there back there.
Yeah, that's why I was like, I don't know why you put me back here. I can't get up under there. I am not Jacob in them. They'll show through it right up in there.
Hey, I was on the track over it. I can stand up.
It don't matter what I'll be on. It ain't going back there. Yep.
Jake.
There you go. Well, you got him.
Had him.
Come on, we can't be losing them on struggle days. Well, man, he came and got it. We might be wrong.
I should have took my chance time with that joker. I'm trying to get him hit to them logs. That was him, wasn't it?
We might be wrong.
What?
They might bite down here.
You get that on the fall. Tell you what, you want to bite it again.
Yeah, I don't know if you're gonna get another shot.
That and come back.
Make sure.
That's the same one.
Well, we're gonna find out here soon. Nope, that's bigger.
Ah, you big son of a gun.
Well, hold on.
I ain't interested no more.
No, you need. Hey, we gotta get this thing in catch. This.
I ain't interested no more once I see you.
Hold on.
You gonna measure me?
Yep. We're gonna get this full experience. Woo, boy, you lucky we got him at the net at the right time.
That my hook got it.
No, look where it at.
Yeah. I thought you were getting them off.
Yeah, you had the better angle.
No, I don't. I turn around like this.
How the?
Get the hook out of there first.
The hook is out. That's why I said you lucky.
No, get it out of the net.
Oh. Because I was like, how is this thing hooked?
It's down in the net. I'll pull the line up. Get him out. Pull the line up.
Oh, how in the world? Well, he wasn't going nowhere.
That drug may be legal.
That's one of the reasons why I said, how did he do this?
I put a hook in that joke out.
Well, yeah, it went. Look where it's at. It went in.
Get the fly. Just can't get it.
Oh, there we go.
That wasn't the same one.
Nope. This one was bigger. You don't stop.
So we get the fly this thing on out.
I don't even think I didn't come back through the original way. All right. How in the world did?
I lassoed that joke.
No, you hooked. It's like you hooked it in the mouth and the line.
Way down there.
Well, no.
Cut the hook off. I retired. Like that's gonna be the simple way to do this.
You couldn't try this again 100 times if you wanted to.
Oh no. Well, I ain't throw my hook.
No, your hook's invoked. All right. There you go.
See you soon. So man, get me a good fly on. I'm missing that. I wasn't looking for.
Yeah.
Thought it was the same time he come back. But it wasn't. Where's it at?
Way over the limit.
I didn't need to hear that information. What was it?
Maybe at 17.
17. And that thing wasn't no 17 inches.
Yes, it was.
Huh?
Yes, it was. That's the beauty of having this thing now. It was past it.
Yeah. Back up in there. More stupid. Yeah, you think I'm stupid.
Here we go. Oh, why you let it go? Okay, he came back.
Keep going. He's out here, ain't he?
Yeah,
I ain't got to measure him. If I can get him in.
he's hooked in the top.
Not out here. Triple. Then four. Tired of fighting feeling.